Okay, we got the whole crew, and we're walking towards Paul Rever's house. That's got to be it. Courtyard at Paul Rever's house, right there. Glenda, we're going to tell them where you're at.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm at the home of Paul Rever in Boston, Massachusetts, and we're about to go inside and tour. But we can't take you with us because there's no video.
Yeah.
But we'll tell you how it was.
Right. Listen, my children, and you shall hear the midnight ride of Paul Rever. Okay, here's Glenda walking on the Boston Freedom Trail. It's the red brick line that goes through town for 2.5 miles. We're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna come back and get on a boat. Well, we've had lunch and a beer, and now we feel so much better. And we're going through the USS Constitution, as I said before, the last remaining ships, frigates that were our first to protect our country, commissioned by First President George Washington. So here we go. There's Gma, Randy, and Jackie. This is pretty impressive on the gangplank coming up on board. This is part of the ship and the carving of the eagle and the shields. That's pretty impressive. Here, Glenda's gonna fire a cannon. You gonna fire a cannon, babe? Very big cannon. Oh my. That's pretty impressive. This is the bow of the ship, and we turn around. Look at the rigging. This is like 2-inch lines. Wow, going up to bigger yet. That is really impressive. Wow, we are down one deck, and this is where all the cannons are, all the way down. Cannons after cannons after cannons. It must have been loud down here when they were firing these babies. We have reached the captain's quarters. He's still got cannons. Yeah. Pretty interesting. There's beds back there and rear portholes. Must be an office right behind there. Yeah. Well, here's a little catch-up video. I'll start with where we're at. We are at Wampatuck State Park, a campground in Massachusetts. It's south of Boston. Okay, so we have spent yesterday. We drove into the closest rapid transit station to us, and then we rode the subway into Boston, downtown Boston, and then we got on a hop-on, hop-off tour bus. That was great. Very informative, lots of fun historical facts, plus, you know, those drivers, they're funny as heck. And okay, so we made it to the Park Street station, and now we don't know exactly how to find the green line. That's west. This is very exciting. We're first timers. Green line, Government Center North. Hey Randy. Green line, Government Center North. You see the sign right here. Government Center North. Up.
Elevator to the green line.
And this is the line waiting for the elevator.
To go up. Yeah. This is exciting. We don't know where we're going. Are you okay, honey?
We just came east.
We need to go to Government Center.
West?
Yes.
How we doing, babe? You made it? Guess what? There's light at the end of the tunnel. We're going to be at the aquarium where we can start with some fresh air. Well, we made it on the Boston's Best Tour hop on, hop off thing. That one right there. And we're getting ready to start the ride.
But you can hop off to visit as many stops as you like.
We have
We recommend looking
Glenda
at your brochure map to plan which stops
and Randy and
you
Jackie. Oh, I almost forgot. The last thing we did before we got back on the subway to go back to camp, somebody like Jackie, I think it was, said, we need Boston cream pie. So we got in line in front of Mike's Pastries with 500 of our closest friends and waited about an hour in line before we could get up and get our cannoli and Boston cream pie. But it was worth it. Well, Jackie wanted Boston cream pie, so we've been directed to Mike's Pastry, and this is the line for Mike's Pastry. We've been in there for like 5 minutes already. So we'll see here. Smile. Glenda, smile. Okay.